Let's see who's sitting beautifully. Let's see who's sitting beautifully with their arms folded tight and their legs crossed just right and their backs as straight as a tree and their lips sealed with the key. Hello children, and welcome to another wonderful week at Grange Primary School. And to start off our week, let's give ourselves a selfie hug. Make it a good one. And give yourself a selfie high five. Give a message to the world. We're stronger together. And this week, I wanted to first of all really give a big shout out congratulations to the children who got gold last week. And then I want to talk to you about bravery. So let me check on my computer. Who did the teachers tell me got gold last week? Well, first of all, in Alan Turing class, Kayana, well done, proud of you. And in Bob Marley class, Dario and Ali, proud of you, well done, gold for both of you. And in Greta Thunberg class, Nasser and Lauren, I'm proud of you, well done. And in nursery, from Olada Equino class, we had Amira, brilliant work Amira, well done. So all of you children got gold because you were brave and you decided to really do your best at your learning. You weren't afraid, what if I make a mistake? You weren't shy and thinking, what if something happens and I get embarrassed? You decided, I need to learn and I need to do my best. So you did sí, vamos. And you went along and you did great Grange CC learning. Now this week, I have got something amazing here. When I was growing up in South Africa, in a town called Port Elizabeth, at my house, which was number 4 Carlton Street, in our garden, there was a wonderful, big, beautiful persimmon tree. And we used to climb that tree. I used to climb high up in that tree, and sometimes if I was brave, I would jump and land on the ground, and I always enjoyed it when the tree gave us the blessing of fruit. It gave us the blessing of its persimmon fruit. And sometimes in England, we call it Sharon fruit. It's the same thing as persimmon, or some people call it a Sharon fruit. Now, I wanted to talk to you about being brave, bravery. And sometimes we have to be really brave to try a new food. Sometimes we think, I don't know that food. I don't want to try it. But it's good to try a healthy new food, especially a healthy new fruit. And that's why I encourage you, when you get an opportunity, like me, I haven't had persimmon fruit for a long time. I haven't had Sharon fruit for a long time. Well, be brave and have a bite. You might not like it. You might like it later on in your life, but it's good to be brave and have a go. That is really good because it's a love of learning. So let me look at my persimmon fruit, my Sharon fruit. It's orange. It's got a lovely little bit of green at the top. Let me have a bite and see what I think. Now you need your words to describe the taste. It's a little bit sweet. It's lovely and juicy. It's a lovely taste. The more you learn, the more words you'll have to be able to describe it. So remember to be brave, children. Try new foods and be brave in your learning and have a go and be your best. Remember what we always say, be great, be Grange.